Today we're going to talk about snow foam. Particularly we're going to debunk a few myths about snow foam. I mean, you've seen it all before, cars covered in thick, white, fluffy foam. But is it actually doing any good? Is it cleaning the car? Well, today I'm here with Dom at Gtechniq and we're going to find out exactly what snow foams do and how they should work. So Dom, what is a snow foam and what's it all about?
Snow foam essentially is designed to remove the loose dirt that's on the surface of the paintwork. So leaves, mud, grass, any sort of loose grime.
Heavy stuff.
Yeah, the heavy stuff that you get off the surface of the road. So when you come to your contact wash using your shampoos with your wash mitts and your buckets, there's actually less dirt on there.
Right, okay, so there's less stuff for you to sort of induce any swirl marks or anything like that?
Yeah, so that's why with a snow foam, you need a snow foam to physically run off a car.
Right, okay.
There's no point having a really super thick snow foam and you creating a winter wonderland outside the front of your house, or it having
foam parties going on your bonnet.
Foam parties or shaving foams. If it's stuck on the surface, it's not doing its job. It's not pulling that dirt off. Right.
Let's go try a couple out then.
So you'll see a lot of cars have this sort of thick, clingy foam, which is all great and well, but you can see it's not really pulling much of the dirt off.
No, nothing's moving, is it?
It's quite thick. So again, with snow foams, you want something that's got a bit of cleaning power to it, but also pulls stuff off. So when people say, "Oh, I've not got a lot of foam," you don't need foam. You do need a little bit, enough to pull that dirt off. You don't want, like I say, a winter wonderland or shaving foam. You need that to come stripping off the car. And again, you can see it's almost stopped there. So again, that dirt is just going to really, really slowly sit there. In the winter, it's not too bad, but in the summertime when it's a little bit warmer, you don't want that sitting there and drying on. It just makes your life harder.
So we've seen how that one looks. Now let's go see how it should look using some Gtechniq citrus foam. Already we can see this one's falling off a lot faster. I guess that's what it's supposed to be doing, is it, Dom?
Yeah, that's it. So that's the idea. It's supposed to be dragging all that dirt, and you can see it's quite equal across all the panels that we sprayed the snow foam on. You can see it's equally just pulling everything down. It's still foamy, but the rate at which everything's falling off the car, that's what you want. You want it to all strip all those loose contaminants off before you start getting on there with your contact wash.
So, snow foam, there you go. Thicker foam doesn't necessarily mean a cleaner car. So thanks to Dom for showing us how snow foam works. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.